Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics that can break a connection. Make sure your Fivem client and server builds match, and update both if needed. Next, validate the server's public IP and port, default is 30,120, by attempting a telnet or simple port check from an external machine. While doing that, make sure your server host has a static internal IP, and your router or firewall explicitly allows incoming UDP and TCP on the server port, so packets can reach the host. Once done with networking, dive into the server configuration and logs to find why handshakes fail. Open server. CFG and confirm endpoint, add TCP/UDP lines, match your public IP and port, and check SV hostname and SV max clients for sanity. Then, scan server console and Fivem logs for timeout messages or resource crashes. Those often block player slots. Make sure TXadmin or your service manager shows the server as running. And if needed, disable non-essential resources to isolate the faulty one. You finish by restarting the server and any routers or NAT devices to clear stale mappings, then test from 2 separate external networks so NAT issues reveal themselves. Use netstat to confirm the server process is listening on the expected port, and run traceroute to identify where packets are dropped. If timeouts persist, temporarily disable the host firewall or antivirus to see if they are the culprit. If that fixes it, re-enable them and add explicit rules for Fivem and port 30,120 to avoid repeats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.